Hello kids, welcome to Soaring Kids TV. In this video, we will learn numbers with flashcards. Let's start. Okay, this is number 1. 1 teddy bear. O-N-E 1 teddy bear. Okay, it's writing time. First, make a small slanting line at the top, then one standing line down. This is number 1. Okay, kids? What number comes after 1? Come on, tell me, kids. Come on. Yes, number 2. 2 dolls. 1, 2. T-W-O 2. 2 dolls. First, make a small curve at the top, then a slanting line, then a sleeping line. This is number 2. Okay? What number comes after 2? Come on, tell me, kids. Yes, come on. 2 after comes 3. Okay? These are 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Okay? First, make a small curve on the top. Then another small curve below. This is number 3. What number comes after 3? Come on, kids, tell me. Number 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducks. These are 4 ducks. Okay? First make a sleeping line, slanting line, standing line. This is number 4. Okay? What number comes after 4? Come on, tell me, kids. After 4 comes number 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buckets. These are 5 buckets. Okay? First make a sleeping line, standing line and a big curl line. Okay? This is number 5. What number comes after 5? Yes, 6. 6 number comes after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rings. First make a slanting line and a big round curve. This is number 6. What number comes after 6? Come on, tell me, kids. Yes, 7. 7 airplanes. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 airplanes. Okay? First make a sleeping line on the top. Then a slanting line down. This is number 7. Okay? What number comes after 7? Come on, tell me. Yes, 8. This is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 alarm clocks. 8 alarm clocks. Okay? First make a small curve on the top. Then again a round curve. This is number 8. What number comes after 8? Come on, tell me, kids. Yes, number 9. These are 9 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bags. Okay? First, make a small circle on the top. Then a slanting line down. This is number 9. Okay? What number comes after 9? Come on, kids, tell me. Yes, number 10. 10 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cupcakes. Okay? First make number 1. Okay? Then a round 4. Oh, this is number 10. Okay? Great job, kids. You learned with stroke line numbers 1 to 10 today. Keep practice every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.